Yo, what's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the investment channel, guys. I messed up. I'm gonna be the first one to say it. So let's go real quick. So yesterday, obviously we all know about this offering. I actually made a video on it after I posted a video I already met late. Okay, and after posting that video, I was like, oh, anything that could kind of break down the this momentum that was down yesterday's momentum would be bad news or like a offering. And then a couple of subscribers commented, offering is already out. We received our notices on TD Ameritrade. I was like, what? I went to my TD, looked it up, couldn't find anything. Went to the comment, I was like, oh, can you send me a screenshot? And I was like, oh, what's your Instagram? But by that time, I was already digging into Google, couldn't find anything. And then went to that website, BENZ something, I can't remember. And also on like the fourth page of Google, found another thing. And by the video, if you watch the video, you could see that I was surprised. I wasn't surprised because this is an offering. I was surprised about the amount, the shares amount, which was like 8 times more than what they did before, and also only $5. I wouldn't care if they did it that much, and then it was like a $9. It wouldn't make sense. So actually, 8 times more shares at $9. That's too much money. I don't know why they need that much money, but whatever. But what counts is after I made the video, automatically I started getting people, hey, yo, this is not an offering. It's not an offering. It's an offering. You caused like this mad shit show here in StockTwits, which never had StockTwits, and I had to go and download it and register, and then find the guy. It was that one guy that commented. It was like, oh, you're a piece of shit. Erik is probably you probably sold for a loss and now trying to control the market with his YouTube channel that nobody knows about. Bro, at least 2,000 something people knows about, and I'm happy with that. But one thing is, I can tell you right now, the guy, he actually apologized, so that's cool, and told him right away, apologies accepted, and that's squared away. Don't want to make this a big thing. It's not. Alrighty. This is just to show you how, like, guys, and on that video I told you before that video, I told you guys I did not care about offerings. I don't care about it, because if you read a 10K form of what they filed back in March 31st, 2020 for 2019, the biggest risk factors, the biggest one is lack of cash. So what do you rather, as a long-term investor, do you rather have them do another offering, and be okay with cash, or run out of cash while trying to do everything they're trying to do? Because the more projects they start taking out, the more money they're gonna need. Go ahead and read it, okay? That, I'm telling you right now, that's why I will take an offer at any time. Not just that, that's number one. So that's good for that balance sheet, okay? Let them work well. Let them have enough cash to do some work. The second one right now, but how much attention has Foresight gotten just lately in the past couple of weeks? An offering, yes, it could decrease the price, but guess what? We're gonna see institution jumping over, okay? They're gonna start jumping over. It's gonna bottom out, and on the next spike, we'll probably never see single digits again. Okay, that's me. This is what I think. So all I want to say is, guys, I did not try to manipulate the price. It doesn't make any sense. I'm not trying to buy $10,000. No, I'm still buying at this level. So why? I don't care if it goes down. Okay, it goes down, I'm buying more. I'll tell you guys all the time, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. I'm just like you. Okay, I'm just like you. I have a YouTube channel. Yes, I don't consider myself a YouTuber, especially because I do not get paid to do this. I do it as a hobby. I'm just showing you how I do my own investments. And all my guys, every single YouTuber right now that does investing, they're talking about this is going to be the next 10x. This is going to be the next 100x. This is going to be the next 10x, 10,000x. Just so on the next video, they do the same thing on it for a different stock. I'm sorry, I'm not throwing shades or anything like that, but I just want to show you guys that it's possible to invest and not trade every single day and try to make profit. No, I put my money right there. It's invested. Now let me see and watch it grow. This is what I'm trying to make it normal, because right now it's so cool to trade penny stocks. It's the hottest thing ever until people start losing all their money. You know, I'm gonna sit back and relax, do my investments, let it run for me. Okay, Foresight is not a penny stock anymore. We've been there. We shouldn't be in a penny stock. First of all, I understand we didn't have no revenue, but that still shouldn't. We should not be a penny stock. Okay, and that's the reason why now we're like almost $10. And also, let me post. I haven't done this. I haven't done this in a long time. I'm gonna put some screenshots, probably around here, of like how much money I have now in Foresight. And again, I have not sold any single shares since I bought it. I started buying at 113. I bought as low as 113, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so please, if you're gonna call me, I don't know, whatever you want to call me, you're free to do so. All I'm asking is, don't try to disrespect me, because I don't disrespect anybody on the internet. I know I can see you, so people just start to disrespect people. Like that's just weak. That's like a weak move. I'm telling you right, just straight up, it's a weak move. Now I'm holding this stock since $1.13. If you got in at like $3 and $4, and then you're holding until you're trying to, no, don't. All right, let least be in the ones before you start talking crap. Okay, but don't want to make this video negative. This is not about it. I'm not about negativity. I'm just trying to be as much honest and as much real to you guys, and that's why I'm here. Basically, I'm owning up to what I did. I should have gone and read everything, and like what was the form about and what was the filing about. Okay, this is my first time holding a foreign company for this long. Okay, and I'm still holding it for a long time. So it's normal that people will make mistakes, and I'm sorry guys, I don't have gray hairs. I'm still quote unquote young. So for everybody, oh, newbies, yeah, of course you were a newbie too. Okay, there's no way you just, well, stock market, oh, I know what this form is. No, cut that. All right, so let's go just into the charts real quick, and then figure out what kind of happened today. Let's see. All right, so let's see here. So what happened? So yesterday we hit 1122, which is amazing. That's amazing. Okay, we went from like low ones. So you remember this part right here? This is when everybody was like, yo, what's going on? I think I'm gonna sell, and then boom, boom. So it's normal that now we're having a pullback. Okay, it's good. It's healthy for the stock. Okay, we just don't want to go in up. It doesn't work like that unless you're like Tesla. Okay, so what happened here? So obviously with all kind of like the bad news around the offering, and to be honest, like I feel like Foresight should have done this a little bit better. They should have come out and say, hey, we're gonna be doing this. I know it's something that happened in the background, but I feel like they should have been more not transparent, but just more, hey, investors, I know we have a lot more investors, so this is what we plan on doing, because that's all I'm saying. It maybe they're not required to do so, but it would have been nice just for the investors, knowing that it caused all this stuff. I know 100% I was not the only one confused. Again, if you're saying that I started the thing with the stock Twitch thing, I scrolled all the way down and it was already there, the question. Okay, so let's go in a little bit closer. So we definitely found kind of like a support around this trend line, which is 913. Okay, could be a little bit less, something like that, but that's what I'm saying. And also I believe that tomorrow we could see another push tomorrow, to be honest. If everything comes down and then everybody relaxes, I feel like we could see another push. And if not, just be careful on that 913. Because if we break it, then guess what? Let me see. On the 913, we could see a pull back to like $8.63, and then another one all the way down to $7.72. Already. So just keep that in mind. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if it's gonna be able. I'm not sure why it's so slow. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it's gonna be able to break this right here. So as high as 965 down to 936, and during the market. That's if you can break that. Because then if we can break it, we could go back to the mid tens. Okay. So let's see what happens. That's pretty much it for the charts. But guys, yeah, I'm always gonna own up to any mistakes I make. I'm not perfect, and I don't claim to be perfect. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an investor, just like you. Okay, I've been in the market since 2016 or 2015. Obviously, what do you do when you go in the market? You start trading stocks. You buying this? Oh, got $1, sell it. Okay. Oh, $10, sell it. Okay, that's any new investors that we do this. Okay, it took me losing money on crypto, losing money on stocks, and all that until I stopped and spoke to myself like, yo, this is actually how it works. Let's do this. Let's try this. And and by now it's still paying out. So I'm gonna be holding the stock for a long time. Let's see, in 1 year, let me come back and look back. Was it a good decision for me to hold the stock for 1 year? Was it a really awful and bad decision for me to hold the stock for 1 year? Not sure. Only time will tell. But guys, again, I apologize. I think I've apologized enough, and I pretty much show that I did not mean to cause anything, to be honest. But guys, if you mess my content, if you're still here, some people have like, I guess, left the channel because of that. I'm sorry. Thanks for being here for the time you were here. But guys, I'm always gonna be me. I'm always gonna do what I think it's best. And if I make a mistake, I'm gonna come right back and fix it. I couldn't record another video at 2 a.m. Okay, you even working an entire day. I work in the mortgage industry right now. You guys can only imagine with the low rates right now, how much client, how many things I have on my table right now. Okay, on my plate, table, whatever. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Like always, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like and comment. Let me know that you watched this video and what you thought about it. Let's see what Foresight does tomorrow. Okay, and guys, don't be afraid of offering. Please don't be afraid of it. If you're long term, don't be afraid of it. Alrighty, have a great day. Bye.